Hello to all of you guys out there. Thank you for following along with this incredible season with the Bib Lifestyle. Be your best body where we eat for health. This has been an incredible journey for Amari. The testimonial is real. The results are real. The results are incredible. This guy came in with being overweight, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, very sore all the time from just daily activities, very tired, very weak, to transforming his life in just 8 weeks with the Bib Lifestyle. It all comes down to food, guys, and just a little bit of exercise, 15 minutes a day, and you can begin the transformation of your lifetime. It's all with the Bib Lifestyle. Be your best body where we eat for health. Hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and please share this episode, share all the episodes with all your friends out there. Hit the like button, follow my channel, because this is for everybody. Every body type, every age, every human on this planet is designed to eat the way the Bib Lifestyle is put together. That's how we get the best results for our health, for our body, and for our daily output for every activity, from exercising to going to work to whatever it is, taking care of your children on a daily basis. For all of you stay-at-home mothers, health is the number one most important thing. You should always take care of your health, because that way you're going to be the best for everybody else around you. And here we are on week number 8, the final week for Amari, and he has just got 6 days left on this journey that he's been on. He's actually going 7 days, but I'm just going to feed him for the next 6, and we're going to bring him back for the final episode. We're going to have all the results of his blood pressure, his blood work, his high cholesterol, his high blood pressure, and how much weight he's lost just in the 8 weeks. This final week, of course, we cut down the food like we've done on all the other previous seasons. So what he'll be getting this week, he's going to wake up in the morning and he's going to have some water, and then he's going to have his beet juice right here. This week we put together beet juice with rhubarb. Rhubarb is a great vegetable. It's in the celery, the cruciferous family. It's got the red color. They make rhubarb pie. It's very good to eat by itself and in different soups. It has a sweet little tartness to it. Absolutely incredible vegetable. Rhubarb mixed with the beet juice. It's a natural diuretic as well. The fibers inside of it, when you actually eat it like itself, help to pull out toxins from the body and excess water weight. That's a great thing about rhubarb, celery, and asparagus. All natural diuretics. That's why if you've ever noticed when you eat them, your pee will smell. Your urine will have a funky smell to it, because it's pulling out the toxins. It's pulling out the poisons. So we've got 12 beet juices for him. He's going to have 2 a day. He's going to wake up. He's going to drink his water. He's going to have a beet juice. Then a few hours later, he's going to go ahead and have his root powder. Now you guys are familiar with the root powders, or if you're not, we've got 23 different types of root powders in here. Maca root, matcha root, yohimbe bark, white willow bark, Fedosia agrestis, Rukong Rong, Tungut Ali. Those are just a few. And there is 430 milligrams of each and every one of those root powders. 430 milligrams of 23 root powders. So how many milligrams is that? 430 times 23. God, 400 times 22. That's 8. That's, what is that? 8,000? 10. I think I can't calculate it that fast in my head, but it's a lot of milligrams. Basically, your Tylenol pill is maybe 500 milligrams, okay? So you're basically getting about 23 pills inside each and every one of these servings. That's how much powder is in the Bib Lifestyle Root Powder Pack. What is that going to do? That's going to help him to relieve his stress, relieve his anxiety, relieve inflammation, help him to sleep better, help him to focus better, be more concentrated. It helps with thyroid issues. It helps with inflammation, anxiety. Did I say those? It helps with if you're dealing with kidney stones. It helps to balance out hormones. It helps to boost testosterone. Just an incredible variety of benefits from just one root powder pack from the Bib Lifestyle. www.bybblife.com. You can go to my website where you can purchase those root powder packs and also the seed packs. But we don't have those in here with Amari this week. We have, and then next, after he has his root powder, later on in the day, around 5 or 6 p.m., he's going to have his fruit bowl. That's going to hold him over with some energy. And then later on that evening, he's going to drink another beet juice. So for his day, it's going to consist of, for the next 6 weeks, 2 beetroots, 1 root powder, and a fruit bowl. This is what he's going to consume in just one day for his meals. And why is that? Because this is electric. This fruit, it's going to give him all types of electricity to his body. It's going to hydrate his body. It's going to get him vitamin C, and it's going to alkalize his body. And so these ingredients here, we're packing him with all these nutrients. He doesn't get hungry too much anymore if you've watched some of the other episodes, because when you're cramming the body with all these nutrients, the body's not getting that hunger feeling. So he is now working 2 jobs. That's why he's not with us today. He has to work his extra job early in the AM, his AM job. Then I'm going to go meet up with him tonight where we work together on his PM job. And that's where I'll bring him all this food. And he's been at home today. He did have a fruit bowl already, and I gave him a root powder and a beet juice the other day at work, so he can already have that today. And then these will carry on for the next couple days, and we'll bring him back at the end of this 6 days, the next 7 days, to see his results, hear from him, and hear what he has to tell you. And of course, I'll just bring him 2 more fruit bowls later on in the week. And this is his journey. Again, thank all of you guys out there for watching. Guys, this is how you do it right here. You can get my book on the website that teaches you how much of this food you're supposed to eat, depending on your current body weight, www.bybblife.com. You can get the books. I've got a separate book for the root powders that explains all the health benefits. They go back thousands of years, all the nutrients that are inside these root powders, and the reason that you want to start taking them on a daily basis, because it's all about nutrients. And that's all on the website there. And the fruit bowls, guys, these are one of the most powerful things. If you're having a problem having a bowel movement, fruit bowls will help clean you out. I guarantee if you eat a fruit bowl like this, you're going to be releasing yourself 2 or 3 times that next morning, if not that same day. Here we are, the end of the week. The beginning of the week, the final week for Amari's journey, 8 weeks following the Bib Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. He has been an incredible participant. He has followed it to a T. He has gone to the extent of going 7 days a week, where a lot of the other participants have only gone 5 days a week. So this guy is really, truly going to get the most incredible results yet. I can't wait to share that with you guys. You can see on my other participants, we've dropped somebody's cholesterol levels so they didn't have to take any more medication. We've reduced insulin intake by over 50% so they don't have to inject insulin 5 times a day. We've helped people balance their hormones, boost their testosterone to gain more muscle mass and feel more confident about themselves. That's what you're getting here, all with the Bib Lifestyle. Be your best body, where we eat for health. I'm Jamie Graff. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for what we've got coming. So much more. I love you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Be your best body.